In the middle of the Karakoram Desert, one of the harshest landscapes on earth, there is a fire that never sleeps. The locals call it door to hell. And when you see it, you will understand why. A massive crater 70 meters wide, 20 meters deep, and filled with flames. Not just sparks, not just heat, but a roaring inferno burning 24 hours a day for over 50 years. To understand this mystery, let's go back to 1971. Soviet geologists were exploring the desert in Turkmenistan, searching for untapped energy. They believed they had discovered a rich natural gas field, so they set up a drilling rig to begin extraction. Everything was going according to the plan until the ground gave way. The earth collapsed beneath their feet, swallowing the drilling rig whole and creating a giant crater. And then something worse. Methane gas begins leaking from the hole. Invisible, odorless, deadly. The scientists had to make quick decision. If the gas spread, it could poison nearby villages, ignite or cause an explosion. So they lit it on fire. Yes, they thought it was the safe thing to do. They believed the flames would burn off the gas in a few days, maybe a week, but that was over half a century ago. And the fire, it never went out. Today, the Darwaza gas crater is one of the strangest sights on earth. It sits like an open wound in the desert, glowing with orange flames and black smoke, visible from miles away at night. The heat is intense. Stand too close and you feel like your skin could melt. Tourists who visit often describe it as a strange, like staring into the lungs of the planet, watching it breathe fire. Some even say it hums. The heat makes the air whisper, and at night it sounds alive. But not everyone is fascinated. The Turkmen government has debated shutting it down. In recent years, President of the state called it wasteful and dangerous, saying it leaked natural gas that could be used more responsibly. Scientists agree the fire continues to burn off valuable fuel every second. No one knows how much is left beneath it or if it could collapse further. But shutting it down is no easy task. The fire is buried deep in a fragile, unstable geological formation, and any interference could lead to disaster. That is why the fire keeps burning day after day, year after year. A silent monument to human mistakes, or maybe nature's mysterious power. No fences, no barriers, just the wind, the sand, and the flames, licking the air like they are reaching for something just out of reach. Some call it an accident, some call it a warning. But the people who have stood at its edge looking down into the endless fire, they say one thing. It doesn't feel like earth, it feels like something else. So in the middle of a desert, few dare to cross. There is a place where the earth burns from within, and no one knows when or if it will ever stop. The door to hell is open, and it's still waiting.